Hi everyone, I'm Annette Morris from a more majestic home decor and DIY, and I'm here with a new challenge, and it's with Heidi of Happily Thriving Heidi, and the challenge is the red, white, and blue DIY challenge. Now I came across this very large tablecloth at Target, and I wanted to do something with this chair. So I decided to make chair covers and see what else I can come up with this challenge. Okay? So sit back and relax and enjoy. Now this tablecloth is actually a paper tablecloth. So I'll be using tape to secure each piece, make sure they stay steady and strong to make it stronger so I can cut out what I need. And because this tablecloth is so big, I decided to make a square table covering on top of a round table. This was the look I was trying to get, and I did achieve it. I'm so happy with the way this turned out. So it's done. Now to decorate. Now I have put together several bonus setup for the 4th of July to represent this red, white, and blue. So I hope you like it. I would like to thank Heidi for creating this wonderful collaboration. I totally enjoyed. So tell me, which table setup do you like most? My DIY? A playlist will be linked down below to see others creators in this collaboration. Have you subscribed yet? If not, take the time and subscribe down below. And this is my last setup. Let me know which one you like down below. I do weekly uploads. See you next time. And as always, thank you, Amores. Stay safe and blessed.